Welcome to Bencze Builds. Today we are building a DIY plant box for less than $20. Here are the tools you will need for this project. A chop saw, alternative circular saw, a nail gun,
you can use a drill as an alternative option,
a air compressor, and finally a orbital sander. Every single product here will be listed in the description. This project only requires 2 2x4s, 6 1x4s for a total of just over $18. You will need to cut the 2x4s into 4 30-inch pieces. For the 1x4s, you need 8 pieces at 24 inches, 10 pieces at 20 inches, and 2 pieces at 17 inches. Here was just a short time lapse of us putting it together. We used a nail gun with an air compressor, but you could use a impact driver as an alternative. We decided to use a white stain on the exterior of the paint box, but you could use any paint or stain that you'd like. You could pick up a small can of stain for only $4 from your closest hardware store. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out the links in the description.
If you have any questions, comment them down below.